Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a virtual assistant or just starting out in the freelancing world, having a professional portfolio website can make a huge difference in attracting clients and showcasing your skills. But here's the best part. You don't need to know coding or hire a designer. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a stunning virtual assistant portfolio website using Canva, step by step. So stick around till the end because I'll also share a few quick tips to make your website stand out and look super professional. All right, let's get started. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's completely free to sign up. Once you're in, type portfolio into the search bar at the top. Canva will show you hundreds of ready-to-use templates, from modern and minimal to colorful and creative. Browse through them and pick one that best fits your personal brand or style as a virtual assistant. When you've found your favorite, just click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. Now, here's where the fun begins. Customization. Canva's design editor is super easy to use. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts with just a few clicks. If your brand has specific colors or fonts, apply those here to create a consistent and professional look. Try to stick to 2 to 3 colors max and use clean, readable fonts that make your content easy to scan. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your brand, so keep it cohesive and polished. Next, it's time to add your personal details. Double-click on any text box to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your own information, your name, title, and a short introduction about who you are and what you do. Then, add sections for your skills, services, and contact information. Keep your wording clear and concise. Clients should instantly understand what you offer and how to reach you. You can even include links to your email, LinkedIn, or other platforms directly in your design. Now, let's make it truly yours by adding visuals. Head over to the Uploads tab on the left panel, then drag and drop your own photos or branding images. Replace the stock photos in the template with your own, maybe your professional headshot, your logo, or even screenshots of your work. These personal touches make your portfolio feel more authentic and build trust with potential clients. Once you're happy with everything, preview your design to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Finally, you can either publish it as a Canva website with a shareable link or download it as a PDF to send directly to clients. Either way, you'll have a professional, sleek portfolio that showcases your expertise beautifully. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a stunning virtual assistant portfolio website in Canva. No coding, no complicated tools, just creativity and smart design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Canva and freelancing tutorials every week. Also, comment below and let me know what type of Canva website you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.